now I think we have a problem, right?
I think I'm stuck. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First snow of the year, and I think we got, I don't know, probably roughly 5 to 6 inches so far, and it's still snowing. It's coming down. So I'm going to take the Subi out today and go see how she does on these summer tires. Go play around. I don't know if I'm gonna go over to Vince's house. He's like 30 minutes away from me, and this stuff is probably gonna take like an hour, and I want to go play around. I'd like to get some better footage instead of just setting the camera down and then trying to like do some donuts and stuff. I'd like to have like an extra camera person. If it's not too bad, if the roads are okay and plowed, we'll see if we can venture out to Vince's house. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty deep. Pretty deep. Hopefully this is a okay shot for you guys. Turn this traction control off. Go get a couple donuts in real quick. Just go from there. Yeah, these tires suck. I'm just sliding all over the place. It's more the stop. Like, I just slide when I stop. I'm going to set this camera up outside and then get some outside shots for you guys. I'm getting no traction whatsoever. Hopefully that looked okay for you guys. It's a little weak on open diff life, man. That's the only thing that sucks about the WRX, and these tires suck. They do. So let's go drive around a little bit more. Holy shit. Dude, I came flying in on you guys. I thought I was gonna hit the camera. That was really close, but that was fun. Holy shit. I like the snow. It seems like everything is still intact. It hasn't ripped anything off, but look how much snow is packed inside these wheels. Holy shit. Wow. I was kind of worried about this mud flap pulling all this back and popping this bumper loose. Damn, this freaking car is so gross. Like, the car isn't even white, it's brown. It looks kind of like gray on camera. Guys, I don't know really like how much more I'm actually gonna be able to like film and stuff out here. I mean, I'm just out here playing around doing donuts and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna actually make it out to Vince's house. If I do, then I'll be there right now. Alrighty guys, I decided to go ahead and just take the risk and heading out there to Vince's house. So that's what we're doing. The roads, they're just wet, like the highways and stuff. They're just wet, so seem like they're not too bad to be driving on. And it seems like his roads out here by his house and stuff, like the roads and stuff are bad, but like all the parking lots and stuff that we usually go to are already plowed. Oh, okay, yeah. Of course, right when you did that. What's up?
What's up?
Oh, your car got freaking covered, dude.
I have yet to see how deep it really is, though.
Wow. Did your dad come out here and plow your driveway and stuff for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, you got
5 inches?
Yeah, 4 or 5. And we got a lot more where we're at.
No, did you?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot more. And we're probably around 6, I'd probably say. Yeah. So it's probably right around the same then.
I'm surprised though for it being the first snow how well it actually packs. Normally
it's wet.
Yeah, normally the
Yeah. Damn, you got all kind of stuck in here, didn't you?
Well, that's from me shoveling.
Oh. Wow.
Looks like the front might be about the same as back.
Yeah. That's pretty deep though.
I need to get it off, but it's just gonna, I mean, it'll melt off eventually.
Right. But yeah, I went past the all the parking lots that we usually go to. The one down here that we went to where,
plowed?
Yeah, it's already plowed.
So what are you wanting to do today?
I don't know. I mean, like I would have liked to have like you film the like hold the camera and like move around and stuff of me like doing donuts and stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
But we can't do that now.
Why?
Because the shit's already plowed.
Mine isn't. My shop.
Oh, that's too deep.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, way too deep?
Yeah, to rip my front lip off.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I guess what we're gonna do is got the drone. He's pretty much already been playing around earlier today before he came here, but we're gonna see if I can't be outside of the car and film better for him while he plays, and at the same time try to have my drone hovering over top just facing down. And
What is a Spark?
yeah, DJI Spark.
Spark. Yeah. But he
Tiny,
wrapped it all in like
drone.
carbon fiber and shit too. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool little gadget you got here, man.
Yeah.
Hopefully, like the snow is coming down. Like,
It is. You guys
Hopefully
aren't gonna be able to.
hopefully it doesn't affect.
You guys probably won't be able to see it on the. Yeah, you can see it, but it don't look near as bad as what it's really snowing. But yeah, it's coming down pretty bad.
Hopefully it doesn't affect the.
I'm more worried about
the
this.
drone.
No, the drone's fine. There's videos where people actually flown them in pouring rain just to see if they would like short circuit or worst case scenario, and that never happened. I'm more worried about this camera.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna try to hold it against my chest so my head
kind of.
kind of.
Clips, anyways. I mean, I've already got quite a few of them, but it'd be nice to actually have you hold that camera and, you know, while I'm not doing.
You'll be all right. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. All right, now I think we have a problem, Ryan.
I think I'm stuck.
Back up, turn your wheel all the way to the right.
All the way out here.
Turn your wheel.
Paying attention to you.
Right, turn your wheel all the way to the right. Lock it. Try to back up. Easily. You film this and I'm gonna have to record it while you drive, because I can't push and film. Look at that. He says it's all-wheel drive. It looks rear to me.
Well,
it's yeah. Keep going. I'll show him the other one.
All-wheel drive.
Yeah, I'll show him the other one's going. Yep.
That's not good.
No.
That's not good at all.
So what you're gonna have to do is, like I said, lock your wheel. I'm gonna have to push you back as far and then push you forward if I can.
Just don't push on that trunk.
I won't. I'll push on your trunk, not the spoiler. You wanna keep filming this or?
Sure, go pull the legs out. Push record again and then record it.
Lock your wheel all the way this way. Like you almost did.
I started rocking the shit out of it though.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here before we get in trouble. I'll put you back to Ryan. I fucked your little stick all up. Holy shit. Whew. I'm surprised I was actually able to push you out.
I was rocking the fuck out of it though.
I seen it, that's what helped.
Yeah. I was just like pumping the clutch a lot. You know?
All right.
That worked.
Yes, it did. How'd that get so wet?
Because I had the window down.
Oh.
Wow.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was entertaining, I guess. Hey, you gotta put your seatbelt on.
You bastard. Shut up, I know. Dude, Subi owners, how much you hate that motherfucker right there?
5 miles an hour and over.
That thing is annoying. Shut up.
Okay. Hopefully those look pretty good.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Back home. I think that should probably be good. That's probably like a 10-minute video though.
Yeah, that should be fun.
Yeah, I was beating on the car pretty hard. I was hitting rev limiter quite a bit.
I heard it. Sounded good. The backfires are nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay.
That's efficient right there.
Yeah.
Back in like 20 minutes.
Right. Oh shit.
Did you almost fall?
Yeah. Alrighty guys, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog here today. Thanks a lot for all your help. I appreciate it. Probably made the clips a lot more exciting than just putting the camera on the ground and stuff and getting stuck.
Right.
I wasn't expecting that. No. Yeah. That made it a little bit more entertaining, so yeah. Thanks a lot, man.
I'm glad it got out. That would have been a real bad spoil if it didn't.
All right. Yeah, guys, if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you guys haven't followed him on Instagram, plug yourself.
Muscle_memory89.
Go give him a follow. He does a lot of Camaro stuff, so if you guys are into like muscle car and stuff too, hit him up, give him a follow.
I'm slowly starting to do drone footage too.
Yeah, yep, doing a lot more stuff like that, so go give him a follow, guys. Like I said, if you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, guys. Keep random.